Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use YT Jobs, a platform perfect for freelancers and content creators to connect and collaborate. Whether you're a beginner looking to offer services or someone who needs help growing your YouTube channel, I've got you covered. So, what is YT Jobs? It's an online platform where you can either find work or hire freelancers for YouTube-related services like video editing, thumbnails, channel management, and more. Whether you're a creator who needs help or a professional with skills to offer, YT Jobs is a great place to connect. Let's dive in and take a look at how to get started. First, you'll need to create an account. Click on Sign Up. Now there are two options, I want to hire and I want a job. If you want to hire someone for your projects, then click on I want to hire. And if you want to find a job, then click on I want a job. Now you have to choose what you are. If you're a video editor, then choose video editor. You can only choose one option. Later you can choose more than one. Click on Next. Now you can sign up using your email or link it to Google for easy access. Now you have to link YouTube videos you had created, or you created a thumbnail, channel management and script writing. Simply just click here. Now add YouTube video link. Now you can add description, but it's optional. Now select your role in the videos on your portfolio. You can select more than one role. Now select the platform from where you reach this client. Now click on Save. If you'll add 6 videos, then it's good for your profile. After adding the videos, click on Next. Now you can see that if you don't add 6 videos, you miss the chance to be selected by most employers. Click on Continue anyway. Now you can add your YouTube channel, Twitter, or your personal website link here to demonstrate your skills. After adding, click on Next. Now you have to add your current or last job here. Enter the title, like video editor. Now enter the description like I am doing video editing for the channel named SortnSolve. You can add channel's link here. If you're currently working on the project, then check this option and select start date. If you're not currently working on the project, then do not check and then select start and ending date. Now click on Next. Now enter your name, then click on Next. Now add an image for your profile and then save profile. Now your account has been created. Now click on Edit Profile. So here's your dashboard. This is where you can manage everything. From here you can add your cover image for your profile. Now first of all, click on your profile here on the top. Now Settings. Click on Accounts and Contact Info. You can add your phone number, Twitter and personal YouTube channel. That will be your confirmed contact info on your profile. Now current location. Add your current location. Now Hire Me and Salary. As you can see, that Hire Me option isn't enabled right now. Now select your job types. If you're available for part-time jobs, then check here. If you're available for full-time, then check here. And if available for projects and gigs, then check here. Now Hire Me location, if you want to do remote work, then check this option, and if you want on-site or hybrid jobs, then select this and you can choose location too, and if you're available for both remote and on-site, you can check both. Enable this option from here. Now salary expectations, you can add your expected salary by hourly, full-time annually, and projects and gigs. And then description. Now click on Save Changes. And if you want the expected salary to be displayed on your profile, then enable this option. Now notifications, you can enable this option to get instant notifications. Now let's take a look at the dashboard. It's pretty straightforward. Now you have to complete your profile before applying for jobs. First of all, About. You can write about your skills, experience and achievements here. You can use ChatGPT. Just enter your experience and skills, and ChatGPT will provide you best lines for yourself. Now roles. Currently there are 2 roles here because the video I added on my portfolio. Let's say I select more roles. Now you'll see that more roles has been added on my profile. It depends on your portfolio. Now links. You can add your website or personal YouTube channel's link here. Now language skills. Select your languages. Now categories. Select the categories you have experience in and based on videos on your portfolio. Now style. Select the styles you have experience in. Now skills. Select the skills you are best at. You can ask your clients to review for you profile from here. Just click here and copy the link and send it to your client. It'll be good for your profile if you get a review from client. If you've created YouTube shorts for your client, you can also add shorts. Just click on Portfolio, and here you can add shorts on your portfolio. Click on plus icon. Now paste the video's link and title and then description. Here's the timeline. And here's the posts. You can also post on YT jobs and interact with freelancers by commenting on their posts or posting by yourself. Now your profile is completed, and now it's time to find jobs. Click on Jobs, and here's the jobs. You can select your category from here, and job type from here, and location too. Now search suitable job for yourself and click on it. Now here's the job description, and the channel who posted the job. You can see salary of the job location, starting date, and content format. Read the job description carefully, and if you think that you're suitable for this job, then click on Apply. Now you have to match the job requirements with your profile info. If you've fulfilled the requirements, click on Next. Now you can describe why you think you are a good fit for this position by sharing your experience. You can also use ChatGPT, but I want you to write it by yourself. You only have one shot to make a first impression. Your first line is everything. The first line should be clear, engaging, and targeted. It needs to make your reader feel that this is worth their time. After writing, click on Next and then Apply. Once you've posted or applied for a job, YT Jobs has a built-in messaging system where you can communicate with freelancers or clients. This makes it easy to keep everything in one place. Payments are also handled securely through the platform, which means no worries about chasing down invoices. Always keep communication within the platform to ensure transparency. And that's it. YT Jobs is a simple and effective way to connect with freelancers or find work in the YouTube space. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Also, if you have any questions about YT Jobs, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.